So Bitcoin is sitting right now at 36,457, and it did hit our yesterday's targets that we had, which were, the target is of course towards $36,000, $36,500, $37,000. We will take it bit by bit. So it did go towards actually all the way up towards $38,000, almost $37,900 if you see, and of course it corrected back down. So this is a good correction. It's sitting at 36,400. It is moving $1,000 up and trying to stay up there. And in past 3 days you have seen Bitcoin that we were at 34, then we had three targets for 35, and then at 35 we had 3 targets towards 36 and 37, and now it is sitting at 36,400. Over here it can consolidate and correct a bit before it rallies further, because the more and more it gets close towards $40,000, the lesser there will be a gap and the excitement will be reducing, because that is the maximum I'm expecting for Bitcoin right now. But of course we can change the situation if we see that there is this massive power that pushes through $40,000 and it smashes it, and I see like $2,000 move, then I can see that the market wants to rally further and it doesn't want to just stop here. So if that is the case, we will see. But why talk about future? Let's talk about present. This is the case scenario in present, and your support is still at $32,000. This whole rally will continue as long as $32,000 stays intact. Bitcoin has not tested it even once. It has just moved away from it and stayed up. A lot of people thought it will come down and test 29, 27. That never happened. Our solid support for the whole rally was 29,500, but the first support was of course 32,000, and never even tested that. So this whole case scenario is super bullish. The market is way more pumped than it was in last month, and November is green, like I'm always saying. This will stay green. Of course it will correct and then it will pump again. So it just pumped. So from here giving you targets will be a bit difficult because it just happened. But of course in tomorrow's video you will have a clearer picture.